Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change lock screen clock style in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. This is lock screen clock. If you want to change this style, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone and then go to lock screen, and here click on clock style, and here you can change style from the available options. I select another style, then this is another one, this is another one, this is another one. I select this one and click on done. Now go to lock screen and see the changes. Lock screen clock style has been changed. So in this way you can easily set desired lock screen in your desired lock screen clock in your phone. If you want to change the color of the lock screen clock, you can also do it. Go to the settings again, go to lock screen and go to clock style, and here you can change the color. Okay, you can choose from the combination of colors. Here you can choose specific color and click on done, and click on done and see the changes. Go to lock screen, see the changes. That blue color is applied. That violet, not blue, violet color is applied. So in this way you can easily change lock screen clock style and also change the color of that clock. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.